You could lose your independence much sooner than you think, all because of one mistake almost everyone over 50 makes with their diet. Most people think joint pain, stiff knees, and weak legs are just an unfortunate part of aging you have to accept, but that's simply not true. If you're waking up to aching hips, struggling to bend down, or finding you tire easily after a walk, listen closely. Too many people let these signs slide until one day something gives out, and basic things like walking to the mailbox or dancing at a grandchild's wedding suddenly seem out of reach. Are your joints holding you back more than they should? What if the solution was simpler and tastier than you ever expected? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Let's be honest. Living with joint pain and weak legs can make the world feel smaller. Many people tell me it starts as a subtle ache. Perhaps you skip a walk because your knees just need a rest, or avoid stairs because your joints click and complain. At first, it's occasional, but as months go by, swelling, stiffness, and that worn-out feeling in your legs can creep into your daily life. Suddenly, grocery trips take longer, yard work feels impossible, and you start to worry if you'll be able to keep up with the people you love. It's a slippery slope. Many folks over 50 never see coming often until it's too late. But is it inevitable? Or can you take control before things get worse? Recent research from sources like the Mayo Clinic and Harvard suggests there are daily food choices that may make a dramatic difference, not only in easing discomfort, but actually helping your body rebuild strength and flexibility from the inside out. Today, I'll walk you through 8 of the best foods you can add to your routine, based on what the science shows, and explain how they work together to support stronger legs and more comfortable joints. You might be surprised how simple and even enjoyable it can be. Before we jump in, let's get to the heart of the problem so many people overlook. Collagen. Collagen is the main protein responsible for keeping your skin smooth, your ligaments and tendons stable, and your joints well cushioned. Think of it like the super glue that holds your joints and muscles together while giving your skin its bounce. The trouble is, our collagen production isn't constant. After age 25, our bodies slowly but surely make less, and by the time you hit your 50s, it's dramatically reduced. This isn't just about wrinkles or sagging skin. It's about the tissue deep in your legs, the ropes and springs that allow you to move confidently. When collagen levels drop, the cushions in your knees and hips shrink, tendons stiffen, and the risk of discomfort, swelling, and even injury increases. The great news is, you don't have to resign yourself to expensive powders or endless pills from the pharmacy. A better way exists, and nature has provided it all along, by eating specific everyday foods that supply not only the building blocks of collagen, but also the helper nutrients your body needs to start producing it again. These aren't exotic superfoods or hard-to-find items. They're affordable, delicious, and found in any typical supermarket. Each one brings a unique ingredient your body relies on to patch, repair, and strengthen your connective tissue from head to toe. So, let's run through the 8 foods that could help you renew your strength and reclaim the freedom to move starting today. First on our list are citrus fruits, classic choices like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. While they don't contain collagen themselves, these fruits are key because they deliver a huge dose of vitamin C. Most people forget that vitamin C isn't just for fighting colds. It's actually essential for collagen production. Picture it as the foreman on the construction site, making sure the raw materials come together correctly to form strong, stable collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, studies have found the collagen your body does build is weak and prone to damage. That's why research published by experts at institutions like the NIH found people with high vitamin C intake are significantly less likely to develop painful joint conditions. Citrus fruits also provide powerful plant compounds called bioflavonoids, which not only make vitamin C work better but act as a cleanup crew, scavenging harmful molecules that would otherwise inflame and break down your joint tissue. If you're worried about swelling in your knees or hips, a glass of water with fresh lemon juice or a daily orange could make a world of difference. I always encourage people to add slices of lemon or orange to their water throughout the day, It's a simple habit that hydrates and supports your joints at the same time. Next up is garlic, the unsung hero of the pantry. You might think of garlic as just a flavor booster, but it's so much more. Garlic is packed with sulfur, a trace mineral your body desperately needs to tie collagen fibers together and make them sturdy. Think of sulfur as the rivets in the frame of a strong bridge. Without it, your connective tissues could fray and snap under the pressure of daily life. Beyond that, garlic naturally slows down the action of certain enzymes in your body that chop up old collagen too quickly. One compound in garlic, called allicin, has been shown in research to reduce inflammation and limit the destructive processes tied to painful joints. Sulfur is also required to make essentials like glucosamine and chondroitin, which together create the spongy cartilage that cushions your knees, hips, and ankles. A study from the University of East Anglia observed that diets high in garlic were linked to healthier, less inflamed joints. I like to add a minced clove to soups, stews, or roasted vegetables, and if you crush and let it sit before cooking, you get even more of those beneficial compounds. It's a small kitchen habit that may help keep you moving. Now let's talk about bone broth, often called liquid gold for your joints. There's a reason so many cultures have relied on slow-simmered broth for generations. When you simmer bones and joint material from beef or chicken over many hours, the collagen within breaks down and dissolves into the broth ready for your body to use. Bone broth isn't just a source of collagen protein. It offers a powerful mix of glycine, proline, and glutamine amino acids that your cells use to rebuild joint tissue, repair gut lining, and reduce body-wide inflammation. Researchers have found that a daily cup of bone broth can deliver between 10 and 20 grams of protein, much of it in collagen form. And it isn't just your knees that benefit. The gut-healing effects of gelatin found in bone broth have been connected in studies to lower levels of inflammation throughout the entire body, which may set the stage for healthier joints overall. I like to remind people, if a mug of bone broth in the morning isn't to your taste, use it as a base for hearty soups or stews a few times a week. It's a comforting way to sneak more collagen-building materials into every meal. At number 5, we find berries, a sweet treat with hidden power. Whether you love strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, all these fruits come loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C. The antioxidant compounds, called anthocyanins, aren't just what give berries their deep purple and red color. They're also potent defenders of your collagen. These plant chemicals help guard against tiny bits of cell damage called free radicals, which speed up the breakdown of healthy cartilage and joint cushion. In one clinical study, people who ate berries regularly showed a significant reduction in markers of inflammation, and their joints were less likely to swell or ache with age. Berries are also unique in supporting the preservation of hyaluronic acid, the slippery fluid that keeps your joints gliding smoothly. That means with each handful, your body gets an all-in-one package: materials to make new collagen, antioxidants to protect what you have, and support for the thick joint fluid that slows long-term wear. For my clients, I often recommend mixing a few different berries into their morning oatmeal or yogurt. It's an easy and delicious way to protect the tissues that keep you walking tall. Our next food shouldn't be overlooked: bell peppers, especially the bright red, orange, and yellow varieties. Red bell peppers, in particular, contain more vitamin C than an orange and are packed with compounds like quercetin and luteolin. These aren't just fancy plant words. Both have been studied for their ability to calm irritated tissue inside your joints. Whenever your knees feel swollen or your ankles look puffy, those are signs of inflammatory signals gone overboard. Quercetin and luteolin act like gentle brakes, slowing down these signals and allowing your body to return to a calm, healing state. And because bell peppers are so rich in vitamin C, they give your body the tools to knit together sturdier collagen every single day. For best results, try to eat peppers raw in salads, or lightly steamed. Heat can reduce their vitamin C content. I love dicing red bell pepper over salads or as a crunchy snack during the day. Variety matters too, because each color provides a slightly different set of phytonutrients, all working to preserve strength and flexibility as you age. Now let's turn to leafy greens, a category that includes favorites like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These vegetables are rich in chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for their deep green color. Early research suggests chlorophyll may share some structural similarities with basic collagen building blocks. But the real star here is their wealth of vitamins and minerals. Spinach and kale are loaded with magnesium and vitamin K nutrients essential for strong bones and healthy connective tissue. Vitamin K is crucial for helping the body direct calcium into your bones where you want it and keep it out of your arteries and soft joint tissue where you don't. Without enough vitamin K, bones lose their density and can't properly anchor tendons and ligaments in your legs, leaving everything more vulnerable to pressure and sudden movement. Leafy greens are also a reliable source of zinc. Without zinc, the knitting together of new collagen fails, resulting in weaker and slower to repair tissues. For anyone worried about losing strength or stability, I always suggest adding a side of steamed greens, tossing a handful of spinach into a smoothie, or building leafy salads as regular lunch options. It's a habit that directly fuels joint repair and supports the bone foundation, holding your legs steady with every step. Now, let's talk about one of nature's most complete protein packages, eggs. While the golden yolk gets plenty of attention for its nutrient content, the white is where the magic for joints truly lies. Egg whites deliver abundant proline and glycine, the two amino acids that create the triple helix rope structure of collagen. When you eat eggs, your body absorbs these amino acids quickly, sending them directly to the cells responsible for building up new connective tissue. Eggs also provide vitamins D and B7 biotin. While you might recognize biotin for healthy hair and nails, it also helps keep skin and connective tissue strong from the inside. A Harvard-led observational study suggests people who eat 2 to 3 eggs daily may enjoy improved muscle mass and better mobility in older age, likely due to this potent combination of easily digested protein and supporting vitamins. I always recommend preparing eggs in whatever way you enjoy most: scrambled with veggies, boiled for salads, or poached for breakfast. The easier the protein is for your body to process, the sooner your body can put it to work rebuilding what time erodes. Let's get to our top pick: the foods that may make the biggest difference in collagen support. Pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants rooted in 2 powerhouse minerals: zinc found in pumpkin seeds and copper found in sunflower seeds. As we discussed before, zinc is absolutely essential for stabilizing new collagen. But copper is just as vital. Copper acts like the master craftsman, enabling a special enzyme called lysyl oxidase to cross-link and weave the collagen fibers together in a tight, flexible mesh. This is the final step in creating ropes strong enough to support everything from your knees to your Achilles tendons. In a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, people who consumed more copper and zinc from food sources saw a marked increase in their body's ability to form and repair connective tissue by as much as 61%, compared to those with deficiencies in these minerals. What made the most difference wasn't a pill or supplement, but a simple handful of seeds each day. I like to suggest mixing pumpkin and sunflower seeds and sprinkling them on salads, morning oatmeal, or simply eating as a midday snack. Every handful helps ensure each strand of new collagen is strong, flexible, and more durable for all the activities you love. To help you turn this science into a lasting habit, let me offer a simple day-in-the-life routine anyone can follow. Start your mornings with a smoothie packed with spinach or kale, a cup of mixed berries, and a spoonful of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds. If you want even more support for your joints, try adding a scoop of bone broth protein powder. A great way to get those extra collagen amino acids without fuss. For an easy midday boost, grab an orange or a handful of berries, or enjoy a trail mix of the seeds. At lunch or dinner, add a generous amount of garlic and diced bell peppers to your favorite stir-fry or soup recipe, and serve with a couple of hard-boiled eggs or a spinach salad on the side. If you keep these foods in rotation, you're supporting your body's natural repair process at every meal. So, why do these foods work so well together? The answer lies in teamwork. Collagen formation is not just about eating more protein. Your body needs the raw amino acids from eggs, bone broth, and leafy greens, vital helper vitamins, vitamin C from citrus, antioxidant power from berries and bell peppers, and vitamin K from greens, and essential minerals zinc and copper from seeds. Each of these nutrients plays a precise role. Amino acids are strung together into long, strong chains, and then vitamin C, copper, and zinc help stabilize and cross-link the strands into fibers tough enough to resist wear and tear. At the same time, antioxidants from berries, bell peppers, and greens patrol your tissues, reducing the steady, low-grade inflammation that can slowly erode your progress. Overlook this step, and your body's natural builders can't keep up with the forces that break down your joints every day. But there's another piece to this puzzle: chronic, low-level inflammation is the hidden enemy behind so many aches, pains, and eventual limitations. When inflammation sticks around, special enzymes in your body start to chop up old collagen, making it impossible to repair and build new cushion. That's why the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory helpers in foods like garlic, berries, and bell peppers aren't just bonuses. They are critical protectors. They clean up the repair site, creating an environment where new collagen fibers can take hold and old tissue can stay strong. It's not just about what you build, but keeping the demolition crew under control. This complete, daily approach will always beat any quick fix supplement or one-time miracle food. I've worked with many people who, simply by making these small tweaks to their eating habits, have told me their morning stiffness eased, their knees handled stairs better, and walking felt lighter and freer. Imagine getting back to gardening, traveling, or playing with your grandkids with the confidence your legs won't let you down. Let me quickly recap before we finish. If you're worried about creeping joint pain or want insurance for your independence as you age, fueling your body with the right foods is one of the most powerful steps you can take. Citrus fruits, garlic, bone broth, berries, bell peppers, leafy greens, eggs, and especially pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Each brings a vital ingredient to the repair crew inside your body. It's not too late to start supporting your joints and legs. Whether you're 52 or 82, every meal is a new opportunity to rebuild and reclaim a life of movement and comfort. If you found this guide helpful, don't miss out on more practical tips for staying strong and independent. Go ahead and subscribe for more simple, science-backed ways to care for your body after 50, and let me know below which of these foods are you most excited to add to your next grocery trip. You're never too old to start renewing your strength. Let's keep moving forward. Together,